In 1759, a young aspiring brewer by the name of Arthur Guinness acquired a small brewery in St James's Gate for a lease agreement of 9,000 years at the princely sum of £45 a year, which is still paid today. Talk about a forward-thinking entrepreneur. Over the next 100 years, Guinness concentrated on producing their porter, which was a very popular beer among the London working class. There was great expansion as well, but it wasn't until the early 19th century when his grandson, Sir Benjamin Lee Guinness, embarked on a massive expansion and became one of the first brewers to employ scientists to help with their quality control and innovation. This led eventually to the discovery or the innovation of the widget in the can of beer. The widget is a nitrogenated beer producer, and what it does, it's a small ball with a hole in it, and when the can is filled with the ball in it as well, filled with beer, a drop of liquid nitrogen is put in and the can is sealed. Now, nitrogen does not dissolve very easily into liquids unless under great pressure. So the gas which the liquid has now turned into because of the temperature had to find its way somewhere, and it went into the ball. So you now have a can of beer with a ball with nitrogen gas in it. When the can is opened, the pressure is released, the gas comes out of the ball or the widget and foams up in the beer into a nice creamy head. Now, carbon dioxide, which is the standard gas in beer, is a fairly large bubble producing gas, which gives it a very low surface tension, so it pops quite easily. It also gives you a foamy head. Now, with nitrogen, it forms a much smaller bubble, which gives it a stronger surface tension, which means it doesn't pop that easily. So it forms a nice stable head, and because the bubbles are small, they cram together and form a nice creamy head. This is the famous creamy head of Guinness, which lasts all the way down the glass. Over the next couple of years, innovation, advertising, expansion has made Guinness what it is today, and it's brewed in over 50 countries around the world.